Hi friends, it's Jody with Squiggly Doodles. Let's draw this super fun picture. Come on, let's get doodling. All right, let's draw our super fun Valentine robot. So the very first thing I'm going to do towards the top of my paper is just draw a small to medium size square. Well, mine actually kind of looks more like a rectangle. Square like rectangle shape. Remember, art's not perfect. It's fun and creative. All right, now on each side, I'm gonna go ahead and draw another, almost like a square on each side. That's his ears. And then I'll do the same thing, make those same lines down in a line, like that. Now towards the top of his head, I'm gonna draw one line going up, and on the other side, another line going up, and I want them to be the same size. Then I'm going to go ahead and make a rectangle shape for them. Like this, just make those lines thicker. Like that. Now, right on top, we're going to draw two little hearts. So I like to start right in the middle and do a curve line going up and then point back down. And the same thing on the other side, curve line going up and come back down to a point. Or you could also make a V shape like that, then just bring this up and curve it, and from that side and curve it. Whatever is easier or whatever works best for you. You might do hearts a different way. Okay, so now let's do our robot face. We're gonna make two big round circles, just like that. And then I like to make another little detail, two little curved lines on the outsides of its eye. And then inside, you can make two circles that almost take up the entire eye. And then just color black around. Today, I am using a black Artistro paint marker pen. But you can use pen, pencil, crayon, anything you want to color. All right, I think I'm also, just because it's Valentine's Day, I want to add a heart nose. So again, just make that little V shape. And then you can make a little dot below it. So you know you need to connect these two lines. And it might be really hard to see, but just a curved shape and come down. All right, and then for the mouth, I'm just gonna draw one line going like that, and then come around and make another one to make two little lines on each side. And that is our robot face. But our robot needs to have a body. So then we're going to do right in the middle where the nose is, we're going to make two lines on each side. You could also make two dots if that's helpful. And you're going to make two lines, and they're both going out on opposite directions like that. Okay, and then we're going to add our body, and it's going to be like another square rectangle shape, about the same size of the head but longer, like a rectangle. So you can go out on both sides if that helps, and then just go down, come back. And then if it helps to go back up on this one and go down till you meet. Or however it is that you draw a rectangle. Now we're gonna go ahead and make a curved swoop like this. It's almost like he's wearing a t-shirt. Make a fun collar. That'll just add a little bit more color too. And then I wanna draw a big heart right in the middle. So if you wanted to, you can copy this, make that V shape, and then right in the middle where that point is, go down and make a dot. So you know this is gonna curve up and over and down, and this one's gonna curve up, over and down to that point. But If you are really good at making hearts, then go ahead and make your favorite heart shape. And if you do ever mess up, you can always just make the lines thicker. Like if your line didn't meet or you think it was a mistake, it's not. You just have to make it thicker like this. It's no problem. Now in my robot, I am actually going to make a hashtag symbol, which is 2 lines going down, 2 lines going across. And then I'm going to spell the word love. L-O-V-E in all uppercase letters. All right, now this robot needs some arms. So I'm going to do one arm coming this way and one arm going down like he's walking. So right in the middle here, I'm just going to draw one line going up. And then if I take where this line is, make an imaginary line across my robot, I can make another line going down. And you want them to be around the same size or the same length. And now we're just going to make this a thicker line. So I'm just going to come up and follow that down. It's okay if it comes out a little bit. And I want to do the same thing over here. And you want them to be about the same size. You don't want one really big arm and one little teeny one. But maybe you do, and that's okay too. Now let's make some fun hands. I'm just going to make a straight line going across each arm. And then we're going to almost make like a square shape, but then stop. Don't finish that square. Then you're going to make another little square shape. So again, like you're making a square and then stop and make another one. There. But you can also make any kind of hand you want. Okay, now we're going to draw some fun legs. These legs, one's going to go this way and one will go that way. And I just made 2 lines on each side. And now I'm going to make them a little thicker than I made the arms. And I'm just going to follow my other line like that. And then here, instead of a straight line, I'm going to make it a little more curved like I did his neck. And then I'm just going to add almost like a rectangle shape for his feet. And this one I'm going to turn my page. Like that. And again, you want them to be close to the same size. This one's a little smaller and that's okay. Now around the middle of my leg, I'm going to go ahead and make 2 lines like this. Kind of like shows that he has knees. And then here in the middle, another, like almost like a square shape, but it's just 2 lines. And that'll be fun to color too. So I'm going to use a Artistro paint marker pen. I have the red, pink, silver, and blue, but you can use any colors you want. So let's get started. So I decided to go ahead and use my silver crayon for the robot's face, just because there's so many little details. I didn't want my paint markers to go over what I'd already colored. So if you are using paint markers, you might want to do a different color. for your face. And I'm just coloring really firmly all around, like that. And I may go ahead and color with crayon his body too. And maybe I'll go back over it with paint markers just to make some more detail. All right, that is our fun robot. Remember, you are loved and you draw really good. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.